Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Unlock Separation and Duality, Be Free, by Angel V. Ornedo Jr., November 13, 2019. Forgetting, separation and duality provided avenues to experience dark and light on Earth, literally. It is a terrible setting for any physical being, set by a supreme creator in any planet in the universe, but has a countervailing effect of expanding our consciousness and integrating our experiences fast. Living a life of joy, free from human stress, is a life worth living, pursuing our desires. Meditation is a fast way of preparing ourselves to a connection of our hearts and minds with the heart of the divine, opening up our light within. Start with yoga exercises and graduate to meditation and silence. The monk's oath of silence, which is running away from experience, our reality eliminating relationship with humans, is too abrupt for the evolution we desire, but also a fast key to unlock separation and duality if done on periodic basis of an hour or more each day, never a 24/7 affair. Spend peaceful and quality time with your family, your relations for a healthy living, and aspire for a relaxed, peaceful time to receive energies from Source. Our questions are slowly being unmasked by a combination of being aware and intense energies from the central sun. Some resonate with various high-frequency beings, HFBs, and ascended masters' messages through human channels and transmitters. On our individual experiences, service is the exciting skill of humans who lived at the planet Sirius, a repeat on Earth, preparation schemes for love and light, keys and traits to a relationship with the Creator within yourself, Source Energy Being. Some of us unlocked the key that control our minds and our connection with Source Energy Being, Soul Within, by living in silence at seas and mountainsides. Received incoming energies from energy portals when they are fully relaxed and relieved of tensions and stress that served as the key that opens and activates the codes, doors locked up. HFBs, sending intense energies, provide downloads, activations and trigger for access to source memories within our galactic memories previously locked up. Scientific explanations on our DNA are getting short of detail as we connect our hearts and minds to the heart of the divine. DNA is a complex nitrogen molecules that consists of many components, portion of which are passed from parent organisms to their offspring during the process of reproduction. Scientists cannot connect cells as infinite information of every human released through intuition and other unknown means. Our cells have all the memories we have from our incarnate lives in various stars, million years accumulation of skills and traits, activated through incoming energies. Memories of oppression and victimhood, we got at Orion Cluster, reenacted on Earth or in reality experiences that accelerate our expansion of consciousness. Source ways of knowing self through humanity is being decoded, and what we call unfair for a source to subject physical creations to darkness is understood. Light and darkness are modes of activating and expanding our consciousness. Our knowledge of the dark reptilian gray, as oppressors out to get Earth's gold, enslaving humans, turned out to be the oppression victimhood experience. Integrated cells of every human are far stronger than the oppressed and victim exposure. Apparently our knowledge of ourselves has opened with the awareness and awakening tools of energy portals, sending us intense energies from all that is in HFBs from other stars and galaxies. No amount of trials and sufferings can destroy the innate strength of humanity as we always rise from the ashes, our DNA never blowing up. Our tenacity to solve our problems are fully tested as we have solutions to burdens and trials. Integration of skills and abilities we learned in various incarnations in the universe allowed us to surpass the victimhood experience. We realized we are fragments of source energy, one with beings of higher vibrational frequency beings, part of the galactic family. Humanity is now free, aware, we have unlocked the keys of separation, duality, and fully realized who we are, source energy beings. Light and Love from Angel V. Ornedo Jr., November 5, 2019. Deoxyribonucleic acid. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations, creating jobs, share teachings at universities, boards and associations. Link at ornedojra@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Zlibris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net,